Welcome to this week's New English Word, where we explore new words or new definitions for old words in the English language. This week's word is dashcam. Dashcam. This is a noun made up of the words dashboard and camera. It is a camera mounted on the dashboard of a car, which records through the windshield while the car is in operation. While this word came about in 1971, its regular use as a word took off in the year 2000. You might be familiar with the Japanese word drive recorder, but we do not say drive recorder in English. Less commonly, you might hear the word driving recorder, but dashcam is still the most common expression. These days, it is common to see cars equipped with dashcams. They are helpful to provide evidence in case of a traffic accident, or to discourage thieves from breaking into a parked car. Police cars with dash cams can also record traffic stops. And it has also been shown that people who install dash cams tend to drive more carefully since they know they are being recorded. While it is not the main purpose of a dash cam, sometimes non-traffic events are recorded coincidentally. On social media or the news, you might have seen footage of wildfires, tornadoes, floods, or other natural disasters captured by dashcam.